Hi, I'm Alyssa Veloso, and I'll briefly discuss to you about dining philosophers. Dining philosophers. It is a classic operating system problem that's usually stated in very non-OS terms. The dining philosophers problem states that there are five philosophers sharing a table and they eat indefinitely. There is a bowl of rice for each philosopher and five chopsticks. A philosopher needs both their right and left chopstick to eat. The program is to be executed in Ubuntu with the use of semaphore and thread. During the execution of the program, the philosophers will start eating with their chopstick, and so the program will end once the philosophers put down their chopsticks and done eating.
So here's the program. We start by importing the libraries pthread for threads and semaphore for synchronization. The pthread library is used for multi-threaded programming, which allows us to run parallel subroutines using threads. As we can see, the semaphore.h header is used to perform semaphore operations. Here, we initialize the counter I in status message variable as int in a pointer message and initialize the semaphore array. We create the philosopher threads using pthread create and pass a pointer to the dine function as the subroutine in a pointer to the counter variable I. All the philosophers starts by thinking. When the philosopher successfully acquires lock on both the chopsticks, the philosopher starts dining. Once the philosopher finishes eating, we call pthread mutex unlock on the left chopstick or the signal, thereby freeing the lock. Then proceed to do the same on the right chopstick. As we can see, the philosopher is picking chopstick and start eating, and the philosopher is placed down the chopstick and finish eating. We are going to run this and see the output. As we can see here, random philosopher starts thinking and pick up the chopstick and starts eating, and some other put down the chopstick and finish eating.